Alright guys, welcome back to How to Make Anything. This is our 3D printer review. We just got this printer a few days ago. I've been doing a few prints and it's actually a pretty good printer. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to print something with the Cube 3 from 3D Systems. So right now I've got a design for a little action figure keychain. And on the left, I've got the Cube print application downloaded on my Mac. So I'm just gonna, if there's this add button over here, downloads, here we go. So that's what we're gonna be printing. Click open, and here it is. So once we have that, go click on it, click print now, and you'll see a model of the print bed. So on the left, these are the two colors that came with the printer, black, neon green and black. So I'm going to print this one in neon green. So you just click and drag the color to whichever model you want. And you can rotate it just by clicking dragging. So this is what it's going to look like when it comes off the bed. You can pretty much see exactly how it's going to look. So we're going to click in the bottom right corner, build. So I'll probably do this one in a draft quality because it's not a very high quality because I don't need a very high quality print from this, although you can go up to 70 microns over here. So that would be the premium setting, or maybe we'll do a standard setting. So 200 microns, strong, cross. You can also do honeycomb, and these are the densities of how much, that's going to depend on how much filament you want to use. So, saved my library. So, and here it is. So this is the original, this is the exact print of what we're actually going to be doing. So, now I'll select this, print now. So I'll click print now. So now that I've got my printer online named Echo, you can see the cartridge status is up here. It's ready, so I'll select that printer. So we've got this keychain on the print bed. So, and I've already built the design, so I'll go back to my library, click the design that I've modified to be green, click print now. I'll replace the files already on there, and click print. So you can see it's transferring the file from my computer to the printer. Only takes a few minutes. Then it's going to prompt me to put glue on Echo's print plate. So I'll click OK. So now the design has popped up here on the printer. We've applied the glue, as you can see here. And now we are going to print it. So just press print. And it prompts you to add more glue, which we've already done. So it's going to start its warm-up routine, and we'll see how it turns out. So the octopus is coming out really nicely. We'll see how it turns out. So we just got this geodesic octopus off the print bed. Looks pretty good. So we're going to soak it in some water and see how it goes. So here I'm soaking the octopus in some hot water. Every time you get a print off the bed, you have to soak it to get the glue off, and it's actually pretty well stuck on there. So you have to use this spatula that came with the printer to get it off. So I'll let it soak for a little bit. So here are some previous things that I've printed. Just printed this, pretty good quality. I made this marble with my initial in it, very good quality. These are all 200 microns. I started this glass vase, 70 microns, or not glass, but plastic, and it was just taking so long that I had to stop it, switching colors and all. Here's a clock face that I made. One of the bigger pieces that I've made. So, but this all came out pretty well since it's straight lines and stuff. Here's the other part of that clock. Here are some screws that I made. So that's very detailed. That was 70 microns, and they fit together and screw and work everything. Here's the test print that came with the printer, and my biggest thing has been this Darth Vader Buddha, but the mistake that I made was using supports on this. I couldn't really get the supports off, and it kind of ruined the look, but the parts that didn't have supports were very good quality. You can see the details with the swirls on the back and his helmet, but the supports were a bad idea. So overall, this printer is a good printer, affordable except for the filament, which I've been told costs $50 and takes up to 2 months to ship from 3D Systems, and you can only buy their filament, so it's really, they really have a monopoly on it. But for your money, you get the LCD screen. It's pretty small, but good print volume, high quality prints, reliability, ease of setup, and looks cool. So overall, good printer. Like, subscribe, and comment for more videos on how to and 3D printing.